Morning, my dear students. Good morning, every one of you. So, welcome to Roots Academy. So, today we are going to do the continuation of limits. So, can you please do check for 1-2 minutes what we did in yesterday's class? And first of all, is my voice is clear? Can you please put it in the chat? Please do put your attendance also so that I'll get clarity who are there and so is there any consistently students are coming or just for 1 day, 2 day are coming. I just want to know. Can you please put it in the chat? Is my voice is clear? Who is coming? Right. I think now it's working. Clear? It's coming clear. Ready? Right. I think now it's working. Can you please put it in the chat, every one of you? Is my voice is clear? If my voice is clear, just check it and give me the thing. Right? Now, whatever we did yesterday, just revise for 1-2 minutes so that we'll go to the remaining limits questions. Please do check once again, my dear. Sir, చదవండి. Just go through the things whatever we did yesterday. Everyone should give your attendance. Right. So we are doing something like standard limits. Before we are going to do the standard limits, I want to give few more questions based on this standard limits, what we did in yesterday. Just check it. These are all previous exam questions. ఇవన్నీ ఒక్కసారి రివైజ్ చేస్తే నేను మీకు ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తాను. ఐ జస్ట్ గివ్ యూ ఫ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ are from our previous JEE mains and MSET models. Take down this question and give me answer. Limit extends to 0. One plus x whole power 1 by x minus e plus ex by 2 pi sine square x. Very beautiful, good question it is. Can you solve this? Sir, 0, 11 by 4e, 11e by 24 and e by 6. If you are getting any disturbance in this, then you people can attend in your app if you are there in the app. Better. If YouTube getting disturbance, go and attend in the app. If you are from Roots Academy. If YouTube is disturbing, go and attend in the app. Right. It's a problem with the YouTube server, not our issue. So do that quickly. Sorry, 0. No, it's wrong. So in yesterday, we discussed anyhow something unusual here, not like our standard thing. Then go with what? Expansion for this. What is expansion we learned yesterday? Can you do check it? What is expansion we learned for? Take from your notes. In the yesterday's list, I gave few expansions. So here is the expansion for this. Can you put it? Very beautiful questions I am discussing. So be very careful when you are doing this. Okay? Now, when you put that, what you will get? The formula is, this guy is E into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24 x square, and so on you are getting minus E plus ex by 2 by this guy in the standard limiting case will goes to x square. So x square. So till where I have to write? That's a very good question. Till where you can write, Ranana? You can write till the denominator power. The denominator power is x square. So write till x square. Then what I wrote till x square. So this minus e plus e gone, minus ex by 2 plus ex by 2 gone. So then left thing is limit x tends to 0 in 11 by 24 x square by x square. These two also gone. So answer is 11 by 24. I hope you got this beautiful question. See, can you Avenda? Finished? Now, quick. Now, the next question is limit x tends to 0. It limits last one, two questions. By x power 5. Options are 1, 2 factorial, 1 by 5 factorial, 1 by 5. Give me quick answer. Finished? secant 4x minus secant 2x by secant 3x minus secant x. This is the next question. For the others, those who are there in the YouTube, can you please hit the like button if you are getting the things what I am saying? Guys, in the morning, I'm making you a great habit of waking up at early morning 5 o'clock. This is the bedrock for all the successful people. It's a basic thing for all the successful people. And my students should be in the top. That's only my aspiration. Otherwise, I don't want to spend my personal time in the early morning. If I want to take lives, I can take at any time, but not in the early morning. But this is the quality of the top quality students. They will decide what they have to do in the morning hours. The morning will make them as the toppers and masters of their destiny. So don't waste this morning and please put your best to get the best in the day. Right? Now, what the answer is? 1 by 5 factorial. That's beautiful. How you will get this sin x formula? Did you remember sin x expansion from yesterday's list? So what is this? X minus x cube by 3 factorial and x power 5 by 5 factorial alternate plus minus. So till where you have to write? Very simple dear. Till x power 5 you have to write. That's it. And so on, minus x plus x cube by 6 by x power 5 and limit x tends to 0. Are you there? So what will happen here is, this gone, this gone, x power 5, x power 5 gone. So answer is 1 by 5 factorial. By 5 factorial. Right here. Yes, if you got this beautiful thing, we are expanding, we are applying expansions. We are applying expansions. Beautiful questions these. Now after this, move to the next question. You may answer for this beautiful question. For this, let me give options also so that you can easily connect with the answer. Options are 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 3 by 4. Right? Finished up. Anyone got answer? It's a direct, a straightforward question here. The question is directly you can do. Look here, what you can do is assume A, B, C, D. So what you'll get? A square, B square, C square, minus D square, coefficients. So 16 minus 4 it is 12 by 9 minus 1 means 8. So cut means you will get it as by 2. 3 by 2. Clear? Beautiful question I want to give you. Solve this beautiful question. Question is like lengthy, but with our shortcut you can solve it very easily. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos x cos 2x cos 3x by sine square or sine square to sine square 2x. Now I am going to give a very beautiful shortcut. Get ready for this. Right? What is the answer for this? Let me give options for this beautiful question, but I want to give a wonderful shortcut which is not there in your any regular textbooks, right? And majority of your college faculty might not be give this. And give me answer. You try and you give me answer. Anyone got? a beautiful shortcut for this type of questions. Let me give a set of this type of combination of questions. This is one question. I can take any x square or sin square x, it doesn't matter. This is another question. Generalized. Any x square I just need. Clear? I am generalizing now. Still n. So whenever you have this type of thing, answer for this beautiful question is sigma n square by 2. Sigma n square by 2. Are you there? Write down somewhere in your notebook very carefully. And people are asking this type of questions. It should have 1 minus cos x, cos 2x, and so on, cos nx. Is it okay? Now, come to here. What this guy is saying. Sigma n square means formula. Do you know what is sigma n square formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. It's not there in your regular textbooks. Your faculty may or may not give this. Now, can you apply here? For this, if you apply, n is 1 now. So 1 square by 2. That's nothing but 1 by 2. It's answer. This guy is sigma 2 square. What is 2 square means? 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5 by 6 by 2 you have to get. So 2 gone, 3 gone. So the answer is 5 by 2. What about our question now? Here you can observe, here you don't have x square. In the standard limiting case, that guy will become 4x square. Here, and this will remain as it is. You will get in the end. So consider this guy now. It's nothing but sigma 3 square by 2 into, again you have here 1 by 4. Don't forget that. So final answer, how much you are getting? Sigma 3 square means 3, 4, 7 by 2, 4. So gone by 6, you know, by 6. So anything left? Check చేయండి ఒకసారి. Here 2. 7 by 4. It's there? Yes, it's there. Clear? Are you okay? Able to follow? Say yes if you are able to follow these type of models, dear. Quick, wonderful shortcut. It's very wonderful shortcut. Right? Now, so those who are listening in the YouTube, my dear students, these classes will be weekly 4 days. We have a dream called at least in math in JEE means January exam. The focus is for January. In the Jan attempt, should get math 99 plus percentile. That's the mission we have. So, in that, to get 99, morning you have to look at this. Only morning. Why? Because freshly you have to put the things into your mind. And out of 100 marks, you need to get 50 plus marks to get 99 percentile in JEE mains. So take it as a very big challenge to yourself. This is not a challenge to anyone. This is a challenge to yourself. To check your potential, to check your capability, to check your commitment, to check your discipline. We got it. Right? So, in the math, multiple benefits are there. Those who are going to score in the math, at least by January, get at least in one math. In April, you can try. See, if somebody got 99 percentile, means in the national level, if they are in the top list in the January, yes, for the April, they can put their whole and soul and they can try the remaining two subjects also 99 percentiles. Why? Because max is a logical thing, max is a lengthy thing, max will improve your lifestyle. Learn math, keep a challenge. Still, we have another 85 days. Wonderfully, you can get it. So look for math first. If you are able, do the remaining other two also. But math, just whatever I am saying, follow that, do that multiple times. Definitely you will turn into 50 plus marks and 99 percentiles. And this is the morning batch 5:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. weekly 4 days. Survive the remaining 2 days. 2 days are revision and third day is exam. So every Sunday you will have exam. On this math, 1 hour exam will be there. Just for practice, to check, to review how is your performance is going on. Keep it very personal challenge, not to show up, not to prove to somebody. Prove to yourself. Personal challenge, personal commitment, and in the upcoming new year, make the things good and in grand way. So get 99%. Get that boost, my dear. So I'm here to help you. From my side, I'm ready to give my best. And are you ready to be the best? That's up to you. It will start from October 20 in the Roots Academy app. Clear? Till the 20, I will take daily live for you. And if you are able to follow, if you are able to understand, then only you go and join in the October 20 batch. That's it, my dear. Otherwise, don't waste even a single penny from your parents' pocket and don't make another burden to them. If you are too confident, too clear, and are you going to commit to yourself, then put the best. I hope you got it. That's it. Now come to the next question. Have you seen how is the shortcuts? So for my understanding, I want to give you one more question just for checking. Can you give me answer for this? Limit. These type of shortcuts you are going to get 1500. All these 1500 questions we are going to the power packed PYQ questions. So two things are going to happen. In the right hand, conceptual clarity. In the left hand, shortcuts. Clear, dear? In the right hand, put the conceptual clarity. That is the fundamental thing for a top ranker is required. In the right, left hand, shortcuts. Generally, you can attack out of the 100 questions. For example, 100 questions are there. Out of 100 questions, 70% of questions you can attack with the conceptual clarity. Because you may attack 100% questions, but you don't have time. So to bring the time, you have to use the shortcuts. Generally 30% plus times you can aram se solve questions with the shortcuts. So keep these two weapons in the hand and attack on the math paper. Make the math as your most scoring and mastery subject. Because once you are good at math, your computer science engineering will become dead easy. All the coding things are based on math only, dear. So don't neglect math. Don't neglect math. Okay, you are good at boards. I know you know, but that won't give you best in the exam. So for the competitive exam, you need a direction with very good discipline and dedication. That's called consistency. So discipline and dedication will make you a consistent person. Consistency is what creates the champions. Consistency creates the champions. Be the champion in your math exam. Right here. So let us go with one more question to check your understanding ability. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, and so on, cos 7x by e power x minus 1 whole square. Quickly give me answer for this beautiful question. After this, we'll go to infinite limits. Good answer 70. Check it. So how to proceed? You know, 7 into sigma n square by 2, right? 7 into 8 into 15 by 2 into 6. All right, this is 4 times, 5 times, and 2 times. 14 into 5, it's a 70. Wow, beautiful, mind. Wonderful, wonderful. I think you got clarity in this shortcut. Clear? Now let us go to the next thing. Let me teach you infinite limits. Infinite. For the heading. So already we learned the limits are 3 types are there. Standard limits, that's called x tends to 0 limits, infinite limits, and mixed will be there. So now we are going with the infinite limits. What is infinite limits are saying all about? So it's the limits when x tends to infinite. The limit when x tends to infinite. And if you have something like this, limit extends to infinite, f of x, that's called our limiting value, then this type of setup is called infinite limits. Clear? Take it down. This type of setup is called infinite limits. Okay? So here is the thing, my dear. When x is tends to infinite, 1 by x, 1 by x square, and so on, all those things, you can take either plus or minus infinite, and all those things will tends to 0. The reciprocal of x powers will goes to 0. Clear? Okay? Shall I? Now here is a beautiful set of questions, dear. In this infinite limit, for example, limit extends to infinite is there. Some a power x is there. This is one type of model. Then it will be 0 when a is a fraction. That is nothing but 0 less than a less than 1. It's infinite when a is greater than 1. And it's 1 when a is equal to 1. Clear? Is it clear? Yes, if you got it. Now, just check it very carefully with a few questions. Question number one. Question number one. So, how to see the limit is infinite or not? That is the first and foremost important thing when you are going to apply what we call this infinite limit concept. Okay? So, the first question in this is, write it very carefully. The first question in the infinite limits is very famous question and very age-old question, means regularly asking old type of modalities. The question is like this. If a is greater than 1, then limit extends to infinite a power x minus a power minus x by a power x plus a power minus x. It's are 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 50. Clear? Can you give me quick? China, one got. So answer for this beautiful question is anyone? I'll explain what you have to do. Look here. You take this a power minus x out. A minus x out. So when you take that, this guy will become a power 2x minus 1 by a power 2x plus 1. But remember, when the base is greater than 1, a power x will tends to 1. Am I clear or not? 1 or infinite? So you are getting something like infinite minus 1 by infinite plus 1. So which is infinite by infinite. So it's none of our list. Now what you have to do is instead of taking a power minus x out, take a power x out. This is ulta way. In the opposite way you take. What I will get? Now the answer is very clear. As x is tends to infinite, a power x is tends to infinite. But a power minus x tends to, that is 1 by infinite, tends to 0. So the answer is 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, it is 1. Clear? Super logical question it is. So take some time and give me correct clarity whether you got this or not. Whether you got this question or not. I'll give you one more beautiful question. Question is, limit n tends to infinite. It's 4 into 5 power n plus 1 by 5 into 2 power n plus 7 into 5 power n. In tomorrow's class, we will do all PYQ questions. Today we are mixing all NTA and few very important models and PYQs, but tomorrow's class will do only PYQs from JEE mains. Give me answer for this. Two minutes time I will give you. Quickly try to give me answer for this. There anyone got answer? Should we do? Vishnu is saying minus 20 by 7. What about the remaining? Iteja, option A. Now, see here, always take the higher powers out, higher values out. So here, 5 power n you take out. Both the numerator and denominator, take 5 power n out. So how much you will get? 3 into, take this also 2 out and 2 power n. First rewrite 4 into 5 into 5 power n by 5 into 2 power n plus 7 into 5 power n. Limit n tends to infinite. I said you take whatever the higher value is there. That's 5 power n common, both numerator and denominator. When you take 5 power n common, what this guy will turn into? This guy will turn into 3 into 2 means 6 into 2 by 5 whole power n minus 4 into 5 by, in the denominator, 5 into 2 by 5 whole power n plus 7, limit n tends to infinite. Are you there? Now very simply, what is happening is, this guy has n tends to infinite and this is a fraction. So this fraction is going to become 0. So 6 into 0 minus 20 by 5 into 0 plus 7. So the answer is minus 20 by 7. Clear, dear? Can you please do check it, all of you once? Have you got this or not? Able to understand or not? Getting some clarity or not? Every one of you. So dear Roots Academy online and offline students, I am going to check your notebooks. Please be alert. It's a very morning, powerful morning, and this should change your math marks. I won't say only change, it should transform. Those who are getting 60, 70 percentile should transform to 99 percentile. Top means top. It's not easy. Only when you have commitment, only when you have direction, proper direction, only when you have a correct discipline to attack the question. Clear? So only conceptual clarity will not give this. Out of 17 years of experience, I'm saying, with produced hundreds of top single digit rankers in different exams. I say hundreds of ranks, don't say only it is in JEE means. JEE means I think below 100, many of my students around 12, 13 came. But in all other competitive exams, especially MSET and remaining competitive exams, COMEDK, NVIT, SRM, all these obviously they will get. But the point what I am saying is to be the top quality, the first thing required is discipline and a proper direction and with dedication. The dedication is not discipline with the dedication generally will produce consistency and consistency will create champions. Don't forget that. Be the champion. Be the champion dear. One more question. Right. In the infinite limits, one beautiful concept is there. Let me explain. What is that is some polynomial by polynomial is there. Polynomial by polynomial is there. Clear? So what you have to do is here, take the highest powers out. Take x power m and x power n out. So what you will get is, then in the numerator, a naught. So a1 by x will be there now by taking x power m. Similarly, what this guy is doing is here, it's becoming 0, 0, 0, 0. Why, sir? Because it's an infinite limit. It's an infinite limit. Our answer will become a naught by b naught. Are you? This is three types. This is three types. Case 1 dear, when m is equal to n, this power will become 0. X power 0 is 1. So answer is a naught by b naught when m is n. And the limit is called finite limit. Finite limit. When x tends m is n. When m is greater than n, this guy is becoming infinite. When m is less than n, this guy is becoming 0. Clear? So the most important terminology they will use is for infinite limit. For finite limit, the degrees of numerator and denominator should be same. Clear? Huh? Are you there? Say yes, how many of you got this concept? Now we are going to attack on the beautiful questions. Can you please put in the chat if you got this? Say yes, those who got this. Right. Number one is, let me check, do we have any infinite limits questions here? No. Right, okay, no issue. Let me check and give few questions. Question number one. Question number one. Try to understand. You have to see the degree of numerator and denominator. Numerator degree and denominator degree. So the question is like this. Limit extends to infinite. Something like this I have. How to proceed here? Numerator degree you will get. Degree of numerator is 2. Degree of denominator is 2. So answer is just coefficients. Just coefficients. So 2, 3, here it is 1, 5. So 6 by 5. That's wonderful, Ravishnu. 6 by 5. Clear? Are you there? Those who are there in the YouTube live, following, able to understand, say yes if you are. We Why? Because both numerator and denominator degree same na. Then you'll get a finite value like A naught by B naught. A naught by B naught is highest degree coefficients. Super na? Now give me this beautiful question. Carefully you have to solve now. Why? Because this is such a beautiful question. Generally you will tempt to give wrong answer. Limit extends to infinite. Fine. Sorry, it is a 10. 10. Now how to proceed? How to proceed? Check the numerator degree. Degree of numerator is 10 only. Degree of denominator is also 10 only. So give me final answer. 10, 100, 1000, and it's 1. Quick. Can you? Finished. I move. Anyone got? It's obviously saying and showing that answer is 1, 2, and so on. Here you can take x power 10 out, means here 1 x power 10. The remaining will become 0. Here 1 x power 10. Remaining will become 0. Like that you will get 10 x power 10 plus something by x power 10 plus 10 power 10. So coefficient is what? 10 and here is 1. 10 by 1. Answer is, I hope every one of you got it. Sorry, 100 x power 10s will be there now. Here 100 in a 100. So 100. 100. So option. Got this? The numerator you will get, in the numerator you will get 100 x power 10s. Each term will give you 1 x power 10 na? Each power will give you 1 x power 10, or each term will give you 1 x power 10. So total will become 100 by 1. Are you there? Now, one more question. Let me check how many of you can do this. Limit n tends to infinite. Okay? Limit n tends to infinite. One plus, two plus, and so on n into. Okay? 1 square, 2 square, and so on n square by n into 1 cube, 2 cube, and so on n cube. Quickly give me answer. Anyone got answer? Shall I move? Please. Anyone? Check it. So as such, if you see this, it looks like very easy. But let me give it. This numerator can be written as sum of first natural numbers. This guy can be written as by 6 n into what this guy can be written as. So this is what we have actually. Clear? Now give me the coefficients. The ratio of coefficients. Hey, degree is what here? 2, 4, 5. Degree 5 in the numerator. Degree in the denominator is 5 only, na? So what will be the answer, dear? Ratio of coefficients only, na? So take the ratio of coefficients is, here the coefficient is 1 by 2. Here the coefficient is 2 by 6. Here the coefficient is 1 by 4. So cut, cut, cut. So answer is 2 by 3. That's wonderful, Rekha, Vishnu, and the remaining those who are in the app. And in the YouTube, anyone gave? No, not yet. Shortcuts in this. Right. Now I am giving you one very beautiful question and give me answer. Limit n tends to infinite. Okay. One by a into a plus d plus up to n terms. Is dash. These are the options I have. I'll give some time. Try to do this. Last 5 minutes. Close just now. I'm just closing in the last 5 minutes. Do just one more question after this. So the thing here is, look here. So each term in the denominator are AP. The difference is D only, right? So what you can do is, observe very carefully. Can be just written as that one you have to get now 1 by D times of no 1 by A minus splitting. Clear? So in all the things you can write like this. So on. Hey, you just observe what will be the last term. In the second term you have 2D means in the nth term you will have what? N minus 1D into A plus ND. Are you there? Are you there? Clear, dear? So, like that, if I add together, what will happen? See, these opposite terms will cancel. If I take two terms, my first term left and the last term left. Then if I take n terms, my first term will left and the last term will left. So, final answer will be by D common. The first term is 1 by A or A plus D. 1 by A left minus the last term is two terms left. Now take the LCM or you can do directly. As n is tending to infinite, this guy A plus ND will become infinite. So 1 by infinite will become 0. So answer is by A into D. Remember that if the terms are in AP with infinite limit, if the terms which are in reciprocal of AP, like that structure, the structure should be like this. Then answer is 1 by AD. One question and straightforward I am expecting answer from your side. No dragging. Nothing. Just a straightforward answer. Try to understand this first. Are you able to understand? Then apply that. See, understanding and application, these are always interlinked things, dear. Give me quick answer so that I'll get clarity. So the question is, limit n tends to infinite. 1 by 1 into 3, 3 into 5. So dear, give me clarity that the AP first, difference is 2, difference is 2, S difference is 2, they are in AP. So what you have to do, answer for this beautiful question is 1 by A into D. What is A? First term is 1. Common difference is 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Since they gave like this. Answer is what here? Many of you got this beautiful thing. But that's it for today, dear. That's it for today. And remember, dear, put your best. Put your best. We are in very powerful time called exam time. This period of 6 months is going to frame a base to your upcoming 60 years. My dear students, and if any parent is listening, please don't neglect this powerful morning batch. Morning is meant for masters. Morning is meant for toppers. Morning is meant for mega living lifestyle people. I want you be in that list. At least put a math 99 percentile in the upcoming JEE January exam and prove to yourself that you are capable enough. You have the potential. So dear, if you have any further details you want about this, you can call to our people. The numbers are 91003755 or 3770265710 or 9866915814. Right, the batch starts from October 20. The timings are morning 5:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. Weekly 4 days, and course will complete by for January exam. This is the live till January. Then later you will have what? 1 year recording sessions. Such a beautiful thing. Don't neglect. Change your score. Transform your life. That's it. Good day. Bye bye. Take care.